All right, we're doing both. I don't even think I titled the vid. Hold on, your channel. Is it live? Let's see. We gotta see if the live is working. We got like 3 more minutes. Let's see. Mm-hmm. I don't see that. Actually, instead of that one, I need this one too. All right, let's see how this go. This is why you have to wait for 9:30 because of this right there. So if you were short up here, oh man, very good chance like you're getting stopped. Now you kind of have to wait for like the rejection because you have to look at this. There's an inversion gap right here, right in here. It's an inversion fair value gap right here, and this is fair value gap in here. You kind of just have to wait that out. It's like there we go. You see? Now I just gotta wait. Now let's go back to trading view. We made a fake run up. This is all within a huge 4-hour gap. Let's see. Now you gotta wait for the first presented. There's multiple liquidities. There's a sell side here. This is hourly sell side. Also a 4-hour sell side too. It's an old one though. It's aligned with this one. And it has the daily sell side down here. So now we're just gonna have to just wait to see what it does. Let's check on ES real quick. All right. It's mainly NQ. That's the main focus anyways. And this is a 4-hour, 1 hour, 15-minute. So we really need to watch what's going on. And there's a timer at the top that tells you how long. I like how it's reacting so far. I see this inversion right here that I'm watching. I'm watching this right here. This inversion gap was a small one. Like prior to that move up. So if we kind of like get back into this range, that's a short. But I'd like to see like price, do a revisit of that range. This most likely could become the first presented though. Assuming it just doesn't just fall down there, which is very much possible. How's ES doing? Let's see. ES already made a first presented gap right here. It's also an inversion too. Also have to see how NQ treats this. Based on how this reacted, I would say
order filled.
I'm gonna short this. I'm shorting the first presented gap. Put my stop up here. Point on here. Just gotta see how price action reacts to that, because there's also an inversion fair value gap across here that supports it. Let's see how price reacts to that. We also have those sell sides. We just have to get to how much? 53? I don't even know. Just extra 1,000. Okay, so let's see. The dollar amount will be 1,000. We should be able to be good right here. Points. That's about 50 points. And now kind of just like let it play out. You guys gotta notice that quick run up there in color right outside of it made a full mohawk. That could scare you. That used to scare me a lot, but I'm still watching the order flow and respecting the fact that this is the end version. So just gotta just let it play out, honestly.
Order filled.
All right, we got stopped. So let's see. Keep that stop to close. Oh, like that's crazy. Now it's like trying to play out. But I doubt it. Like my idea is the same though. I'm still bearish. We know this is inversion already, so we can just take this out. Let's say. We're gonna keep this here though, just to give us the count this as first presented graph here. Oh, agreed. I'll actually get to green. There's a very small fair value gap that's in here. I'm gonna use that.
Order filled.
I'm gonna use that as a shorting opportunity. The small little gap right here. My chart has too much chart execution. Let's remove that. There we go. With price action is just terrible today too.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's it. Like setups are failing. That's already a sign. Like we're kind of like stuck between these PD arrays right here. Two PD arrays fighting. This is very annoying. So we kind of have to just like wait a little bit. Because we did gap down. already took 2 trades, so that's probably enough. There's no point in trying to like catch anything. Let's check the daily. That's the 4th of July candle. And then we also gapped down. This is like one of those indecisive candles. But yeah, there's no point in trying to like. Why is it on 2 contracts? It's supposed to be on 1. Because yes, we got an inversion right now. We got a very up here as bullish. And we have an inversion here too. Which will make you think, okay, order flow is bullish, right? But the thing is, you have to kind of look at what's going on here and where we're at. And at the same time, we're still in that 4-hour gap too. It did get closed off, didn't it? Oh, it did not get closed off. They're still trying to push it higher. But there's another fair value gap here. See that? Just the simple fact that there's 2 fair value gaps. There's one right here on the 4-hour. And there's this old one that was already here. What you don't want is to have 2 of them, where it makes price action very difficult to run pretty much. It becomes high resistance. Now you look at this, you look at the 1-hour, it's 1-hour showing you that it's trying to push out of this gap in here. You go to the 30-minute, there's one here, one here. Which one do you trust? We're at all-time highs at the same time where we moved quite a lot. Because this could very well fail. So what that's the best thing to do is to just pretty much get out of there. Just get out of the trade pretty much. Just pretty much call it a day because this could very well fail in this fall. So yeah, that's it for today, honestly.